Today, I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer lotion using 91% isopropyl alcohol and hand lotion. The type of hand lotion that I have is Lubriderm Advanced Therapy Lotion. I'm going to use a container that I got for traveling. This is about 3 ounces. Now, when making hand sanitizer lotion, the key is to have 2 parts of 91% isopropyl alcohol and 1 part of lotion. In this case, I'm going to use Lubriderm lotion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the container, and then I'm going to pump 1/3 inside of the container. Alright, now keep on pumping. Key is to eye it, if you can, to get 1/3 of the container full. In this 3-ounce container, that would be 1 ounce of lotion, 2 ounces of isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to keep on pumping. A little bit more pumping. 3 more pumps. 1, 2, 3. That should be about 1 ounce of lotion. Next, I'm going to take my isopropyl alcohol. Actually, I'm going to need 1 more pump, maybe a couple more pumps. Doesn't quite look like it's 1 ounce yet. Alright, that's about 1 ounce. Now I'm going to take the 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to fill the bottle up to complete the 3 ounces. Then we're going to close it and shake it to mix it up. Now, it's one point to make that this will not be like your typical lotion as far as thickness. However, it will not dry out your hands as much as using alcohol alone, and it will actually moisturize your hands better than an aloe and alcohol mixture. After about 20 seconds of mixing, you will have your hand sanitizer lotion. If all of it's not mixed up, you can look at the bottom, shake it a little bit more, and then use it. And that's how you make hand sanitizer lotion. Let me know if you have any questions.